Let's see what offerings have been given to Mary recently. Rubber ducky, and I'm not sure what those other two things are, but there's something. Someone came by and gave her a necklace and a pendant. That's beautiful. I love that. And also a bracelet that didn't quite make it into the cemetery. What's this? Toys for Tots. Nice. There used to be an old, like, antique fan, like, an oscillating fan over here. That used to be here for close to a decade. I'm sad that it's gone. But now it just seems to be a little... Someone put a hole here or something. But it used to be right here. Robert, how are you? How are you doing? How's the watcher been? Are you watching me right now? Thank you for watching over the cemetery for all of these years, and as you continue to do as well. Although I've only ever physically seen you once or twice, I still feel your presence here in spirit.